yourself into her mind, quote unquote. You're the one who is going down on her. You're trying to please her. Guys, let her be the one who is giving you. Yo, what's up my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. Today, I am telling you 4 rules women break for you if you are a high value guy. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Check out the description, check out my website inspiredalpha.com. There are a lot of content and there are a lot of things coming. Yeah, so let's jump into it. Number 1, she gives you head in the first date, the first time you meet. Guys, there's something that I want you to think about critically. There are 2 types of men. Number 1, she decides to give it to you that day you are going down on her. Or you're the guy who is just relaxed and she's going down on you. Who of these guys do you think is the high value guy? Which of this guy is you? Based on your recent events. Guys, women, you know, women giving men head is a big deal. It's, you know, it's something going into your mouth. Well, and it's the first date. This shows the amount of attraction that is in her, the interest that she has in you. Because you see, when you're looking at when you're looking at it at a surface level, you know, you'll say we are just having fun. But deep down, she is trying to tell you something. She's telling you that, hey, I'm so attracted to you that I am willing to give it to you today so that you like me, so that you can, you know, you can have a better impression of me. She's trying to imprint herself into your mind. Just like the way if you're the guy who is trying to imprint yourself into her mind, quote unquote, you're the one who is going down on her. You're trying to please her. Guys, let her be the one who is giving you head in the first date. This shows very high interest. Very, very high interest. And this is a rule they'll break. In fact, I'm sure average guys never get head from their women. Never. I remember when I was just an average guy, it was so hard for me to get to, you know, for her to give it to me. But now, you know, you are like, hey, I'm not into it. Let's do it some other time. So guys, that is the first rule she breaks. Number 2, she gives it to you in the first date. This is another one. Guys, now, this is from personal experience. Every woman I've gone out with, every woman except for one, every woman I've gone out with, they've given me, I hear it during the first date. I've never gone on a, second date. I don't do second dates, no. Now, for me, I have commitment issues. I have my issues that I am dealing with, and it's, well, I'm not saying it's good or understandable, but it's, what's that word? I am afraid of falling in love. Let me call it that. But the point is that in the first date, I usually get it in the first date. If they don't give me in the first date, I'm like, I'm not going to pursue it. I'd rather, you know, continue with my other options. So that is just like, although it has never happened to me, I can't really speak from experience that one. The only time that it happened that I never got it was I visited her in her place and things got complicated. But if she is coming over, if we are going out, we are coming back to my place. that is something, I don't know, it's a blessing or whatever, but it shows that she's really interested, or she's really into you, that she's willing to give it to you in the first night. So this is another rule that she will break, because for other guys, she's like, we need to go for like 3 dates, know you, wait for 30 days to know if you're serious, blah 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 blah, while she's still getting plowed by other guys who, they are not even taking them out. They are just like, hey, you wanna come over? She's come. So guys, that is rule number 3. She spends on you. Guys, this is something that we all know. When a woman makes money, it's for her own. She is very selfish with her money, unless she's your mother. If she's your woman, eating her money is very, very hard. But if she is interested in you, she's going to spoil you like nonsense. Guys, the moment you see that she is spending on you, she is spending her time. Now, you see, there is this, well, let me tell you what's going on here in Kenya. Women will ask guys for transport or fare. Hey, a guy asks a woman, you wanna come over, send transport. When you send the money, she eats it. She's never coming. This is how you differentiate women who are into you and women who are not. For me, when I tell her to come over, I am not sending her a single shilling or a single dollar. I am not sending her any money. I'm telling her, hey, you wanna come over? She comes over with her money, because when she comes to my place, I provide everything. She'll eat here, she gets plowed very, very well. Then, everything is provided that you can come here and go back to your place without asking me for a single cent. That shows me that this girl is really interested. But I am not investing financially in any woman that, I have not plowed. I don't know where we are headed, and you're like, send me money. That's crazy. So when you see that she is spending money on you, bro, she's very interested in you. She is highly interested in you. She's going to go and move mountains for you. This is the world we live in. But not the least, she's fine being a sneaky link. Guys, you see, being honest is very, very attractive, first of all. Second of all, if you are attractive enough, she will actually decide to be your sneaky link. She'll, because she's thinking, I can be better than this guy's girl, and eventually I am going to seduce him, and he will have to leave the other woman. Now, sure, there are women who are into guys who have other chicks. It's something that it's wired in them. They have issues. But when a woman really wants to be with you, it doesn't matter whether you're married. It doesn't matter whether you are in a committed relationship. She will stick with you because she wants you. No other man. She wants you. So when you tell her that, hey, look, you're cute, I'd like to take you out, do stuff to you, but I have a girl and I'm committed. And she's like, in fact, she's the one who will most likely introduce the sneaky link idea. She's like, hey, we don't have to tell her. I'm just the side dish. You can't just be eating the same dish all the time, every day. It's boring. The point is that she will try to be in your life even when she knows she can't have you. Even when she knows it's toxic. Even when she knows that it's going to lead her into trouble. She will stick with you. These are the rules she breaks. But the moment an average guy asks her out, hey, I have a boyfriend. No, I can't. No, I'm busy. No, I'm not focused on dating right now. I am focused on my career. Yet, she is your side piece. She's your sneaky link. So, anyway, guys, Those are the 4 rules that women break if they are very, very interested in you. Hopefully you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.